Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Coax to Ethernet adapter is probably one of the most useful gadgets for anyone looking to upgrade their home network or extend internet access to areas with only coaxial cabling, allowing you to seamlessly integrate older coaxial infrastructure with modern Ethernet devices for faster and more reliable internet speeds, transforming your home network and bridging the gap between old and new technologies with ease and efficiency, and this video will help you choose the right one. Number 5. ScreenBeam MoCA 2.5 Adapter. Experience internet speeds up to 1 gigabit per second with this add-on adapter. It uses your existing Coax cables for a fast and reliable connection, potentially even faster than Wi-Fi. Enjoy lag-free gaming and seamless 4K HD streaming. It features a 1 gigabit per second network card for top performance, and is backward compatible with older network cards. Easily add this adapter to your existing MoCA network. It creates a robust Ethernet network, outperforming wireless in speed, latency, and security. Connect up to 16 devices to one network. It's compatible with most devices and routers with an Ethernet port, making it easy to expand your home network. For optimal performance, ensure your router and devices are MoCA 2.5 compatible. Also, be aware that some DOCSIS 3.1 modems may cause conflicts. Check with your internet service provider if you experience issues. What we like. It's a powerful addition to your existing MoCA network, offering blazing fast speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. If you need to boost your internet speed and have a MoCA network, this is the perfect choice for seamless streaming and gaming. It easily integrates into your existing setup for a more robust and reliable network. What people say. A MoCA adapter allows additional routers to receive an internet signal directly from your modem through the existing Coax cable in your walls. You just plug the Coax from your wall into an adapter and then plug the included Ethernet cord from the adapter to an additional router, and now you have a super strong Wi-Fi signal as if the main router and additional router were connected by an Ethernet cable. It took only 10 minutes from opening the box to being up and running. Installation is very simple and quick. I had the link working in 10 minutes. Number 4. Hitron Bonded MoCA 2.5 Adapter. Increase your Wi-Fi speed by connecting these adapters to your router and access point. Enjoy speeds up to 1 gigabit per second for a smoother, faster connection. Instantly extend your wired network using your home's existing coaxial cables. It delivers up to 1 gigabit per second Ethernet speeds, perfect for streaming and gaming. Unlike Wi-Fi, it uses coaxial cable for a stable, low-latency connection. Enjoy lag-free performance with up to 3 milliseconds latency. It works seamlessly with most cable internet setups. Ensure all your Coax outlets are part of the same network for optimal performance. Simply connect one adapter near your router and the other near your device. No configuration is needed, it includes everything for setup. Easily add more adapters to connect new Ethernet devices. You can connect up to 16 adapters to your network. Everything you need is included, so you don't have to hunt for extra cables. Set up your MoCA network quickly and easily. What we like. This convenient 2-pack makes extending your network a breeze. It offers a simple plug-and-play experience with minimal configuration. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to improve your Wi-Fi range and reduce lag, especially for gaming and streaming, this is it. Number 3. Actiontec ECB 2500C Adapter. Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones? This adapter uses your existing coaxial cables to create a high-speed network throughout your home. It's perfect for streaming and gaming. Easily distribute HD video and other multimedia content throughout your home. It's simple to set up and use. Connect your gaming consoles, computers, and home theater system to the internet with ease. It works with most devices that have an Ethernet port. This adapter transforms your coaxial wiring into a high-performance Ethernet network. Enjoy consistent throughput speeds up to 270 megabits per second. It's designed for homes with cable TV service and is compatible with many devices. However, it does not work with satellite TV. It's designed for easy setup and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Enjoy seamless connectivity throughout your home. What we like. It's a simple solution for improving internet connectivity in homes with cable TV. It offers a reliable connection for your home entertainment devices without complex configurations. If you have cable TV and want a straightforward way to connect your devices, this adapter is a great choice. What people say. Works stable, much more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. Speeds are great for streaming Apple TV at 720p and any Xbox, YouTube etc. I have another Airport Express hardwired to my network and get the same speeds off each. Overall, exactly as described. Solid 100 megabits per second speeds and way more stable than Wi-Fi. Number 2. TRENDnet TMO311C adapter. This adapter uses your home's existing coaxial wiring to create a high-speed network. It's easy to set up and requires no configuration. Enjoy speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive applications. It supports up to 16 nodes on a single network, giving you extensive coverage throughout your home or office. This provides a more reliable connection than Wi-Fi, especially for streaming high-definition video or online gaming. Just connect it to your existing coaxial wiring and a device with an Ethernet port. No complicated configuration is needed. It's backward compatible with MoCA 1.1 and 1.0 standards, ensuring broad compatibility with your existing equipment. This adapter meets NDAA and TAA compliance standards for government and commercial use in the US and Canada. TRENDnet stands behind its products. This adapter comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This adapter provides a reliable wired connection for enhanced streaming and gaming. It's compatible with MoCA 2.0 and offers speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. If you are seeking a reliable and fast connection for your entertainment needs, this is a solid option. What people say. The setup was very simple. Coax line in wall. Box. TV. My son said something about direct connecting to Ethernet for gaming speeds, which he uses when home, but that means nothing to me. I now can stream movies TV with no lag, freezing, buffering or interruption. To my delight, these things work amazingly well, and you learn how to terminate coax cable correctly in the meantime. Once I had everything done, it lit up immediately and has been giving me 1 gigabyte speeds at each end point. I tied that into my existing gigabit network and my network connectivity problems were solved. The Trend Ethernet over cable system works perfectly. The setup is simple: plug it in, connect the coaxial cable, turn it on, and voila, you have internet access over cable. My setup works well over a distance of about 75 to 100 feet. Previously, only about 10% of the signal from my Wi-Fi router reached the mesh Wi-Fi extender in my garage. Now, I receive about 95%. Number 1. Nexuslink G.hn Ethernet Adapter Kit. Transform your home network with this adapter kit. It uses your existing coaxial cables to create a super fast, reliable connection, perfect for gaming and streaming. It provides faster speeds and lower latency than other methods. Enjoy uninterrupted video streaming and online gaming without lag. This kit makes setup simple and quick. Connect your devices easily through your existing coaxial cables, no need for new wiring. It works with unused coaxial cables, extending your network's reach. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming and gaming on all your devices. Remember, it's designed for unused coaxial cables, not those used for cable TV or internet services. Using it incorrectly may cause problems. Nexuslink is a trusted brand, committed to providing high-speed, reliable networking solutions. We focus on innovation and customer satisfaction. What we like. It transforms unused coaxial cables into a high-speed network. It's perfect for boosting your internet speed without the hassle of new wiring. If you have unused coax cables and want a fast, easy way to improve your network, this is a great option. What people say. Pretty simple plug and play, but I had a hard time getting them to pair. But otherwise work as intended. Went from 40 megabits per second Wi-Fi to 500 megabits per second with this Ethernet over coax system. Installation was a breeze. Easy to pair and set up, and it secured my network with encryption so that no one else could tap in. Transfer speed and stability is far better than my former bonded MoCA pair. Truly plug and play. In one location of my house, I have only one Cat 6 but needed to run 2 devices on separate networks. It is on the first floor of a 2-story house, so running another cable was problematic. I had been using smart switches and VLANs but was always experiencing random slowdowns. I had a run of Coax that was not being used. I ordered this EOC adapter hoping to get rid of the complications. I hooked them adapters together with a short piece of Coax to the in ports to sync them. No need for an Ethernet cable yet. 10 to 20 seconds later they were synced. 10 to 20 seconds to lock them. Powered everything down and moved both devices to their new homes. Plugged everything back up, including Ethernet. Within 30 seconds both devices were again synced and locked. Confirmed Ethernet was working fine. Easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.